Okay, if you are still bothered about getting data, cheapest data plan for all network for browsing on your phone or using it on your system, or if you are a content creator, a YouTuber, a Facebook, uploader, or a content creator, you are running TikTok account and you are always stuck with data, or you've lacked consistency because of data price, do not worry. For this video, I'm going to provide the cheapest data plan you can actually use. Not actually cheapest, do you understand? But it lasts for like a week or a month, do you get? And with as low as just little amount of money, you are good to go purchasing data from this particular app. So I am begging you, make sure you check the video description to get the link of this cheapest data app that I'm using. Is working for you, is working for me, and I believe it will work for you too, because I'm definitely going to give you proofs of data that I've actually purchased using this particular app, so that you too can equally use it. And this app works on all Android smartphone, and it works from all networks. It works for all networks, do you understand? So subscribe and stay with me from very start to the end of this video so you do not miss anything. Let us go into the full tutorial video, guys. Okay, now so looking on my phone screen, this is the app that I've been using, and as you can see, currently I have 740 naira 1440 kobo inside. And coming to this place, can you see total data purchase is 6? So I've spent 5,700 buying data from this application. Now let me show you things you can actually do with this app. You can use it to fund your account. Look at it. You can fund in that, you can pay in money into this account. You can use it to purchase electricity. Then you can use it for e-pin. That means, let me click on electricity to show you. So once you click on electricity, more options about electricity will pop up here. Can you see? So here you need to provide the stuff you're doing here. Select anyone that you are going with, then you purchase. Then coming for this e-pin, this is actually for for networks. If you want to buy, I think, recharge card or something, you click here, you purchase your pin straight from here instead of you buying data. Do you understand? Now for the sake of this tutorial, what we are actually doing here is just data. We are buying data. Do you understand? So this is what you will do. Once you come to this app, you come to this place that says purchase data. Can you see this place that says data? If you want to use it for airtime, just click here for airtime. Then if you want to use it for data, just click here for data. Are you seeing where the data is? Then if you want to use it for cable, once you click cable, then you select what exactly you want to subscribe. If it is DSTV, GoTV, or StarTimes, you select any of them. But that's not what I'm doing. I'm using this for data. So once you click on your data, now you have this option. Then first one says network. So once you tap on this network, it brings you to this place. Can you see? So what this stuff simply means is this: you can do all network using this this app. You can use it for MTN, AIRTEL, Glo, and all that. So let's assume I'm going for AIRTEL, so I have to select AIRTEL here. Once you select your AIRTEL, go to this place that says data plan. This is where you need to select the tariff, like the categories of data you want to purchase. Me, I always make use of gifting data. So once you select gifting, can you see here is gifting? You see that? Then come to this data type. This is now where you need to select the one you want to purchase. So as you can see, as low as 475 naira, you can purchase what? 500 MB. Then for a week plan, you can purchase as low as 760 naira. You can buy 1 gig, which is valid for a week. Then you can, with 900, you can purchase 1.5 gig, valid for a week. Then with 1,425 naira, you can purchase 3.5 gig, valid for a week. Then coming for a month, as low as 1,425, you can buy 2 gig, which is valid for a month. Are you seeing it here? 2 gig, valid for a month. Are you seeing it here? Then with 1,900, you can purchase 3 gig, valid for a month. Believe me, all this stuff are really working. But for me to prove it to you guys, let me go for this 760 for 1 gig in a month. Don't forget that data price now is 600 and something for just 1 gig. Do you understand? For just 1 gig, I think that should be a day. But here you can purchase as
many as possible. Now for me to prove this stuff for you, once you tap on this data plan now, can you see it has been selected? The next thing you need to do is to put your phone number, which is 070 8754 1994. So this is the phone number we'll be purchasing all the stuff with. Once you select your buy, then you click on proceed to purchase this data. Once you click on proceed, you are good to go. So let me just tap on proceed. Can you see it is loading? Verify data purchase, and boom, can you see transaction successful? So this is how you can actually purchase your very cheap data. Don't forget, all the data plans here are very affordable, and you can use them for a very long period of time. Now let me teach you how to fund your account here. So if you want to fund, you click on this fund account. Then what you need to do is just leave this place that says what, pay stake. Leave this place that says pay stack. Go to this direct transfer. So once you click on direct transfer, once you've created an account with this app, automatically they will give you account number you can pay into. So all you need to do is just to tap on copy to copy this account. Then once you tap on copy, go to any bank you are using, then send your money in here. Automatically, it does not take time, it will be reflected here, and you are good to go to do what, to purchase your data plan. It's very simple, easy, and to the point. Do you understand? Thank you for watching, and if you've not subscribed to this channel, it's very important to do what, you subscribe, turn on notification sign, for I will always give you update back to back about how to go with online money making and cheap hacks, to get a very cheap data. If this video is helpful, let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks, and bye bye for now, guys.